welcome to my blog again. Okay, it's yesterday was Deepavali. Today I'm back to class. Okay, as I told you guys, it's alternate Sundays. So today is my second lesson. I was hoping to learn, like dishes like strawberry nugget, some clay pot, tofu dish, but I think they changed the syllabus. Maybe the chair for the instructor is not available because each class they have different instructors. So today I'm going to learn soup bases. So when I went through, noticed that they are teaching blonde rooks, white rooks. I think these are some French base, if I'm not wrong. And also they are also going to teach us how to make potato soup. Hope to share some photos, videos, with you all later. Getting ready right now. Class is at 2 o'clock. So later we'll be sharing to you, how was the day, how did my class go, everything at the end of the day, and some photos and videos, hopefully. Meanwhile, stay safe and have a good day.
Pepper, there is no acidity inside because that's where you're gonna finalize your sauce. You need to balance the acidity, the salt flavor, the bitterness, or any flavor you want to have. So you need to test.
I'm back from my private chef course. Today was another beautiful day with a beautiful course, a fruitful Sunday, and yes, beautiful weather. Let me just. Oh, it's raining, guys. At last, it was so hot for the past few days, burning and cool weather at last. Okay, so today I learned I think I had a Michelin Star chef who did a demo for us. It's he did a chicken juice and also a chicken volante. It's a white sauce which can be versatile and can be used. I took some photos. Apart from that, I did about just 2 dishes. One's a roux, just a base for soups, thickening agent, and I did a potato puree soup, as well as it's called chicken volate. Volate basically means, fly in the air. Okay, that means it's very delicious puff pastry with filling. It's super, super yummy. I'll be sharing my photos. I think you would have seen my photos before coming to this video. Have a good day and see you all soon.